Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will tell you about Is Cardano Coin a good investment? So watch this video till the end so that you can also know all about Cardano coins. The crypto market has gained massive popularity in the last few years, more than most would have previously imagined. In fact, the market is presently bullish for the future of crypto, and many cryptocurrencies are doing well around the world. Moreover, the technologies that underpin these coins are continuously evolving. This, too, draws the attention of both traders and investors. One of the cryptocurrencies that is gaining attention these days is Cardano, ADA. What is Cardano? Cardano, created in September 2017, is considered the world's first ever peer-reviewed decentralized blockchain solution. ADA quickly established itself among the top cryptocurrencies. Mainly this was because of the interesting programming language employed in its build. Chief Executive Officer is Charles Hoskinson, one of the co-founders of Ethereum. Just as ETH powers the Ethereum network, the ADA coin powers the Cardano blockchain. Interestingly, ADA is named for Ada Lovelace, a 19th-century mathematician and the first computer programmer. Price history of Cardano. After its launch in September 2017, ADA coin quickly climbed from $0.002953 to $1.0797. This made it one of the most promising cryptocurrencies at the time. The price of Cardano, ADA, stood at around 41 cents. A couple of weeks ago, the price of ADA jumped up to its all-time high of $2.40 just before the May 19th crash. The May 19th cryptocurrency crash wiped out the price by almost half. However, Cardano has already significantly recovered from the crash. This cryptocurrency runs on a fully decentralized network. In March 2021, block production on Cardano became fully decentralized, with a community of stake pool operators, SPOs, producing all the blocks. The focus is to use the SPO ecosystem to build connections between 7 core nodes. Earlier, these nodes were used on the blockchain to produce blocks. However, to further increase efficiency and create a more decentralized network, the developers worked on creating peer-to-peer, P2P, code. The purpose was to enable automated communication between nodes. By the time this is fully achieved, Cardano will be able to run completely on community nodes. Will Cardano go up? Crypto experts believe Cardano is one of the most undervalued cryptos of 2021. Cardano's incoming plans to integrate smart contracts on their blockchain have the potential to make Cardano as valuable in function as Ethereum. The Cardano team has been working for years to perfect their blockchain, with reputed scientists and developers taking part in the process. Over the past couple of months, the price of Cardano was steadily rising, matching up to crypto experts' opinion that this coin was undervalued. How many Cardano coins are there? Presently, there are 31.95 billion ADA coins in circulation, out of a total supply of 45 billion. Is Cardano a good investment? Whether Cardano is a good investment or not for you depends on your financial circumstances and risk tolerance. As with any other investment vehicle, we recommend that you do your own research to determine if ADA is a good investment for your portfolio. Also, as always, never invest more than you can afford to lose. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos.